Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Junior Brown. We are going to react to the song Joe the Singing Janitor. Okay, Joe the Singing Janitor. This is our first time listening to this song. Let's get
Requested by James. Let's get started with our first time single take honest reaction.
Junior Brown.
Junior Brown. Okay.
You heard about the singing brakeman. You might have seen a singing cowboy too. Well, I'm Joe, the singing janitor. I'm at a theater near you. I'll also be appearing at the concert you'll be hearing, but I won't be singing with a band. I'm Joe, the singing janitor, cleaning up for the folks, getting by the best I can. I'm in your schoolroom, your pool room, your office, and your home, and I always give you service with a smile. And most folks never think that a janitor needs a little kindness once in a while. Well, I really don't care if you think I'm a square from my hat down to my shoes. I'm Joe, the singing janitor. So go easy on a guy trying to make life easy for you. Well, the school kids like to have a laugh on me with their spitballs and chewing gum mess, making fun of my cornball singing voice and the real square way I dress. Well, I'm gonna sing a song in the principal's office, so they better respect an old man. I'm Joe, the singing janitor, working hard for the kids, getting by the best I can. Well, if a broomstick was a microphone, I could show you all a thing or two. But I ain't on the stage, just a dirty old floor, and I got a lot of work to do. I can't carry a tune in a bucket, but I carry that bucket with pride. I'm Joe, the singing janitor. Yeah, I'm the man behind the mop. I make everything sparkle and shine. I'm in your schoolroom, your pool room, your office, and your home, and I always give you service with a smile. And most folks never think that a janitor needs a little kindness once in a while. Well, I really don't care if you think I'm a square from my hat down to my shoes. I'm Joe, the singing janitor. So go easy on a guy trying to make life easy for you. Yeah, go easy on a guy trying to make life easy for you.
Wow.
Beautiful,
wow,
beautiful.
Wow.
Playing-
Junior Brown.
Paying tribute to
Yes, I like this song.
the janitor who keeps things clean, keeps things orderly in so many places. Dignity of labor is something that doesn't exist in many parts of the world, especially in the West, which believed in enslaving people. They have a history of slavery, of creating slaves, dominating those slaves, managing those slaves, making lives miserable for their people, even when they were not slaves. So dignity of labor is something that is never heard of in particular pockets of the West, which is quite sad because janitor plays such a pivotal role, whether it's in a school, whether it's in a hospital, whether it's in a corporate or building, whether it's anywhere almost, a stadium, so many places described here where a janitor works and sings maybe. But they're treated so badly, whether it's a janitor or a waitress. I've heard of countless instances, especially where females work in public areas. They are eve-teased, they are pinched, their bottoms are pinched, They are, and it's considered okay in that part of the world. It's considered okay for hundreds of years now. You know, so they won the right to vote in 1919, but I guess they've still not won their
Right to
independence.
respect.
And they've still not earned respect. So while it's talking about a janitor who's usually a male, I will go ahead and say
janitors can be
anyone who works, whether male or female, whether it's a waitress or a cashier at a supermarket, I've seen in that part of the world people literally abusing them. Just because they took a little bit more time in running through your items at the cash counter, abusing them, ill-treating them, and I've seen this myself. I've seen it happen on reality TV, I've seen it myself, I've heard many instances of people who say how badly they are treated by their bosses and by their governments in that part of the world. So it's a sad thing. In UK, you hear so many stories where Africans and Indians, basically third world people, are made to do the riskiest and dirtiest jobs.
Yeah.
Whether it's in a hospital or a school or the garbage disposal business, sanitation business. The third world citizens, migrants, are made to do the worst jobs. It's a pathetic situation in countries which are used to enslaving others. So this is a nice song for one of those people. I would also include waitresses because I've seen them really being treated badly by guys. Guys treat them really badly, especially in America. They treat waitresses really badly. And statistics are there, of course, to prove what I'm talking about. Eve teasing statistics, rape statistics, molestation statistics. It's shocking for a democratic country. It's an independent, so-called independent nation. It is shocking to read those statistics. And some of them we'll put up in our video. We were discussing it and we said we'll add that to the beginning of our video. Because sometimes people say, why do we speak this way? Sometimes you need to understand why we speak this way. We are speaking out for all those victims of Eve teasing, bottom pinching, abuse of all shapes and kinds in that part of the world. We're speaking up for all of them. I love this song because it's speaking up for someone who never gets the dignity of labor in that part of the world, who's always treated poorly, whether by the paycheck or whether by people who they are associated with or come across.
And in the song, there was a unique instrument, a guitar it's pick or both together stuck, and it was played also interestingly. So that was giving an effect, a music effect in the song. I like the topic by Junior Brown, Joe, the singing janitor, and there is the Joe, that is the president. I like the first one better. Yeah, I like the Joe,
The janitor, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
I like him better. When it comes to the whole department of cleaning and sanitation, it's my desire, and if I was in a position to take any decision about how they are treated or what their role should be in the society, I would give them the same status as doctors. I mean, seriously, I'm talking about people don't get this, or they think it's I'm just saying it just to do something overdue, but it isn't. If they were not doing their job properly, there would be so many more people who would be dying. So they are the preventers of diseases. If there is somebody who's curing diseases or sicknesses, illnesses, who's making people sickness free, these people keep you sickness free. Once you get sick, there is a doctor. But before that, there is a janitor, there is a cleaner, there is a sanitation worker who's making sure you remain healthy, you remain illness free, your society remains healthy and fit. So that is their role in society. But the worst kind of treatment that humans do and the bizarre things that we do, that such important jobs, such integral things of our lives, we tend to ignore. Everybody thinks it's a lowly job, it's a low life thing. It's somebody who's a janitor who he must be deserving that because he must have not worked hard at other things, or he must have not done well in his academics, etc. to get that. I don't see it that way. I mean, nobody, no parent, nobody wants to choose that as a job. It's the last thing, last resort. Even if some people may take it as an option, others are going to think that nothing better you could get. That is why he's doing that. But people fail to see the importance of this, job, importance of how much it contributes to the society. And that is how sad it is. I like countries like Japan, South Korea, where they don't look at it as a low job. In fact, they all do it. There is nobody janitor and there is everybody janitor. It is as simple as that. So we all do it. There is nobody who's low or high. We all do this. We have to do every day, and all of us have to do right from the beginning, right from a very young age. I like that. If I could implement that, I would love to implement that in our country too. Because here too, we may talk about Western nations, but here too, people do not respect janitors. People always think there is a divide that this is a low job. My job is a better job. Doing a white collar job, that is a blue collar, and this that. I think they do a tremendous job for people. Even the garbage collectors and the people who dispose of, they all make our society livable every single day. If they stop working for 3 days, the kind of stench, the kind of mess that we all create. So this song is important.